Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm gonna be talking about Brigitte. Now Brigitte is a support hero, meaning her main job is to heal. Now her weapon is a melee, so you can't do any long range deal. Now you've got a repair pack, heals an ally for a short period. Whip shot launches your fill towards an enemy and you can basically knock an enemy away from you. So if you're trying to push someone, it's very good to push them out. Now Brigitte is also one of the only support that has a shield, meaning you can shield yourself from the enemies in order to protect yourself. And since you have a shield, you can also do shield bash. And every time you deal damage to enemies, you heal your allies. So meaning you gotta do damage in order to be a proper healer. So this is what the damage is. It's not that good damage. Like, look at that. It just does 1.5 bar. I don't really think Brigitte does a very good damage, but this is a shield bash, knocks them back a bit, and this is that left shift I was talking about, pushes them right back. If you guys want to see the range of it, we can do it again. That is a very good range push, you know. And then this is what E does. Heals them immediately to a lot of HP. And obviously you can protect your teammates like this. But your shield is not going to be as big as Reinhardt's. It's only going to have like 200. So make sure you use your shield properly. 250, sorry, not 200. And this is the ultimate. Rally to me. So basically this will heal and give your teammates 100 extra heal or HP, if I must say. And yeah, that's about it about Brigitte. Brigitte is also one of the other very easy heroes that you can play to start off the game. And yeah, there's not much to do. You don't really need to aim much. All you gotta do is swing. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.